These strange things are called deer horn knives, or in Chinese, Jiao Dao. They don't look like weapons at all, but actually they're one of the smartest close-range weapons in Kung Fu. Deer horns are always used in pair. They're short, they're curved, and they're shaped like deer antlers, with hooks, edges, and sometimes small spikes. This is not a battlefield weapon. This weapon was made for very close range combat. They most likely appeared during late Ming or Qing dynasty, so comparing to swords or spears, this is pretty modern Chinese weapon. They wasn't used by armies, mostly by civilians, bodyguards and martial artists. Think about small spaces, narrow streets, crowded places and self-defense situations. Deer horns are not about big cuts or long reach, they are about trapping, twisting, locking or controlling. You use them to catch opponents' weapons, to block attacks and to mess with their structure, wrists, arms and balance. They are most famous in Baguazhang, which makes total sense. Circular movement, angle changes, getting close and still stay mobile. Fun fact, they are small enough to hide them under the clothing, and because of the shape it's really difficult to drop them in the fight. Just to be clear, I am not deer horn expert or kung fu master. I'm holding this thing first time, but let's see what they can do. So yeah, deer horn knives. Small, weird and surprisingly effective if you know what you are doing. Not me. So I have nothing more to say. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Think about small spaces, narrow streets, crowded places and self-defense situations.